Sanbanani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. Today, I just want to talk about bloodline. And when I talk about bloodline, I talk about families. There's a lot of issues in families, but I just want to highlight certain things under family. Number one, like if you are fighting blood, kuyaliwa ngaphakathi and you're fighting blood. Number one rule there is you'd rather fight with prayer. Fight with prayer and don't do back to the sender. Fight with prayer and don't do back to the sender. Tell God exactly what you need Him to do for you. Tell God exactly what you need Him to do for you. Because of if God has put you in a family, in a bloodline, where you're supposed to be a generational curse breaker, God has given you the power to pray and speak life into your people. That is why you see certain things in your family. So pray and be specific and tell God, because I'm sharing this. Why? Because of there's certain people in the family abakhohlakele, abaney'nhliziyo ezimbi, and abangazimiselanga ukuguquka okanye ukushintsha. Loyo muntu loyo uqinile ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi uzolokolo alwisa alokole ayenza ububi. Nawe ngumkhuleko, qinisa ukhuleke. Trust you me, abanqobi bempi banokubekezela. So kuzomela ukuthi ukwazi ukubekezela even in days where you feel like yo akupheli or akwenzeki. You have to pray for the fact that usubonile into okumele ukuthi uyenze, ulokulu ukhuleka, then God will do what needs to be done. And when you're busy praying there, God is moving. God is doing the things. You might not see them, but uNkulunkulu kukhona alokulu ekwenza. Another thing, bloodline. Please, there are a lot of people abebafa. There are a lot of people whose dreams were crashed. There are a lot of people who didn't pursue impilo zabo. They didn't even follow their purpose because of babesaba. They never had courage to say no to their elders. I know today saying no to your elder is like aibo kuzoba ngathi manje I'm being disrespectful. But God today is saying, specifically to the people who are chosen in families, umuyibona ukuthi into wrong, umuyibona into ukuthi imbi, iyabulala, iyamosha, say no. A lot of you guys need the courage to say no and choose light. Some of you ningawaqeda lama cases ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu just by saying no. And why am I talking about this? There's a latest series yabo Kings of Johannesburg to show ukuthi it was literally, this thing ran in the family because of people allowed it. Yes. So kukhona abanye abantu esengike ngahlangana nabo and ngababona abanye abantu ukuthi yo, these people are just going through the most. Kaze why uNkulunkulu beswela labantu, kanti why kwenzakala kanti uNkulunkulu kuphi? uNkulunkulu waveza ukuthi kukhona abantwana bahluleke ukuthi no, kanti kube bathi no. kube bathi cha bathi no, bathi because sometimes, let me not say sometimes, when you get to a certain age, I mean a child, umuntu owumntwana simbheka la ko from 1 year up until probably singasho ukuthi 6-7 years, or you'll correct me if I'm wrong, but umntwana osekamazi yes no from ngasho nje ukuthi 10 11 12 ukuya phezulu. Ngitshele ke wena una 18 19 20 21 but uyabona ububi ngaphakathi kwekhaya, but you just can't say no. You don't have the courage to say no. If you don't have the courage to say no, then some of the things might not happen. Ukulunga intuthuko angeke yenzakale ngaphakathi kwekhaya lakho. Some people are too afraid to allow things to break. Let things break. Lately, since ngasho ukuthi 2023 2024 2025 ukuya le, families, even the music industry has been talking about diqabanga bomalume abazwani. It's because of kukhona abantwana ngaphakathi kwamakhaya ebese bephakamile and then decided to have the courage to say no, this must end. Amaqiniso avele aphuma. So uzothola ukuthi uyaboniswa izinto ngaphakathi kwekhaya and it's blood. Do not fight. Ngabo back to the sender. Do not kill. Akumelanga ukuthi ubulale. Kodwa ngoba ukhethiwe lapho ngaphakathi kwekhaya, have the right words to say to God and say sithi sekwanele ke manje. Siyacela Nkosi silamlele ke. We are willing to just stand and face this person. Siyacela moya engcwele, siyacela. And I trust you, me akuzuba lula. Iyavuka ke manje kumina le nkulumo ukuthi ngiyifundise because of when you really look at why other people are still struggling today, ubona ngathi izinto azimove, and then you just like, where is God? Bese uNkulunkulu akuvulela ama secrets waphakathi kwalokho ukuthi bangayistopha lento. But it's because of people are fearful. People abafuna ukufacea amaqiniso, they don't want to take accountability. People bancenga ubudlelwane, ubuncenga kanjani ubudlelwane. People just want to be passive and timid and just say, hayi kunje, ayikhona into esingayenza. Kanti khona into engayenzakala by you having the courage to say no. Say no. And I'm saying have the courage to say no to witchcraft. Kunabantu abashiyelwe izinto ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wabo, and babashiyele because of nabo banjalo. Number 1. 2, uhlulekile ukuthi no because of why laba abanye bangashiyelwa, why kuvele kwakhonjwa wena kanti kube nawo uyisile lento athi no, I will never ever accept it. Angizi kuyi accepta, angeke ngize ngikwazi, angeke kuze kulunge, because of the consequences that come after you accepting. So please be that person omethembayo uNkulunkulu, omsabayo futhi uNkulunkulu. Kuzomela abantu bafundiswe ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi umsabe umvele inqangi kangaleyo ndlela yokuthi ngoba umsaba mawubona ukuthi this is wrong, now ukwazi ukuthi cha angizozi involve. Hayi futhi usubonisiwe, do not involve yourself. And even if wena ubungazi but so uyaboniswa manje, the decision that you take matters. A decision oyithathayo ukuthi wena uzothi hayi uyaqhubeka ushaya indivo wenza ngathi awuboni into eyenzakalayo ngaphakathi kwekhaya, and then you just continue with your life, it's going to catch up with you. Ukukhanya akuzukunifikela, ukulunga akuzukunifikela, ngoba sizolokho sithi hayi siyakhuleka kodwa uNkulunkulu asambulela ukuthi lapha ngaphakathi kwalela khaya yibona abangakwazi ukulimela iqiniso. 2, okunye futhi okubulala amakhaya ngaphakathi inhliziyo. Abanye ke ngibekela eceleni witchcraft, and other people inhliziyo zabo yizona ezibabambezelayo ngaphakathi kwekhaya. ziyababambezela. Thola ukuthi awuloya-ke sokuyiyakho inhliziyo ekubambile because of you just don't want to let go. You don't want to just release and let things flow. Ubone ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukubekeleni kanti futhi uzokwenzelani isikhathi masilekolo sihamba. So ngiyanicela, ngiyanxusa, do not fight throwing back to the senders. Yes, nomuntu bekazama ukukubulala but uNkulunkulu wakusindisa. Akasho-ke uNkulunkulu ukuthi nawe lahlela uthi an eye for an eye. Cha, don't do that. 2, mawubona ububi ngaphakathi kwekhaya, mawubona i-witchcraft, mawubona izinto ezingekho right, be the one who stands and say no to this. No. Because trust you me, a lot of destiny swaps zenzakala ngaphakathi kwekhaya. A lot of ukucindeza zenzakala ngaphakathi kwekhaya. Wena uzocabanga ukuthi into ezingaphandle, abantu bangaphandle abanalawo mandla lawo, kodwa abantu abanamandla ingaphakathi kwekhaya abangathi bavuma ukuqumba phansi, bangaqumba phansi. Instead of running away from your home, face and say, angizovumelana nale, angivumi. No taking sides, but stand for what is good. Stand for the light. Stand for what is righteous. Ukuze niyibone le breakthrough, ukuze niyithole le breakthrough, stand for what is right and have the courage to say no to wrong and dark and evil things. Amen.